Happy day students, welcome to San Academy Pallikaranai, Reproduction in Animals, Part 2, Class 8 Science. In this part, we are going to discuss about human sperm and few other concepts related to the chapter. As we all know, sperm is the male reproductive gamete. Those sperm are very small in size. Each has a head, a middle piece and a tail. Each sperm is a single cell with all the usual cell components. And what purpose does the tail in a sperm serve? In order to know the answer for this question, we should have a little detail or information about the parts of the sperm. The testes secrete millions of sperm cells together. A sperm comprises of a single cell and has a specific structure with three main parts as given below. Head, it consists of the nucleus which contains the DNA information of the cell. Middle part, it is packed with cell organelles called mitochondria. The mitochondria are responsible for producing energy in the cell. Hence, sperm uses this energy to move. Tail, it allows the sperm cell to travel at a fast pace. What purpose does the tail in a sperm serve? The tail gives the sperm cell movement. It whips and undulates so that the cell can travel to the egg. Following sperm deposition in the female reproductive tract, activation of tail movement is suppressed until the sperm is carried to within a relatively short distance of the egg. Now, let us discuss about female reproductive organs. The female reproductive system provides the egg, the male-female gametes for fertilization. The female reproductive organs are: first, ovaries. The female reproductive system comprises of a pair of ovaries. These are the main female sex organs and are responsible for the production of female gametes called eggs or ova and female hormones. The ova or female eggs also consist of a single cell. Estrogen and progesterone. These are hormones or chemical substances produced by the ovaries. These hormones are responsible for the development of the female reproductive organs and the secondary sexual characteristics in women, such as development of breast and body hair. Oviduct or fallopian tubes. These are two funnel-shaped structures that extend from the superior right and the left corners of the uterus to the edge of the ovaries. The ovaries release one egg every month into the oviducts. The oviducts consist of a cilia, hair-like structure that carries the ovum from the oviduct to uterus. Uterus. It is an inverted, pear-shaped organ that allows the development of fertilized egg into a human baby. The uterus connects with an opening called cervix that connects it to the vagina. It is a muscular tube-like structure that connects the cervix. It acts as the receptor of the penis and allows the movement of sperm to the following fallopian tubes and uterus. It also allows delivery of the fetus during the birth of the child. Menstrual cycle. When female hit puberty, they start producing mature eggs every month, indicating the ability to reproduce. This process is called menstrual cycle. In this cycle, the ovaries produce an egg every month that travels to the uterus and attaching to its lining. If the egg is not fertilized, the uterus sheds its lining and the egg, which results in bleeding in the female. On an average, the duration of the menstrual cycle is 28 days. The cycle starts at puberty around the age of 10 or 11 years and lasts until the age of 45 to 55 years. Gametogenesis. It is the process of production of gametes by the male and female primary reproductive organs. It occurs in three phases in both males and females: multiplication phase, growth or maturation phase, and meiotic phase. Gametogenesis in males is called spermatogenesis. It occurs in the testes and results in the formation of sperm cells. Gametogenesis in female is called oogenesis. It occurs in the ovary and results in production of female eggs or ova. Now let us discuss about fertilization. Firstly, reproduction in animals begin with the sperm fuses with an ovum. This process is called fertilization. So, the fusion between the male gamete, that is the sperm, and the female gamete, ovum, is called fertilization. The nuclei of the sperm and egg combine together and form a single nucleus. As a result, the zygote is formed. Since the zygote is formed with the fusion of male and female gametes, the new individual possesses the characteristics of both the parents. Fertilization can be of two types, which is internal fertilization and external fertilization. The fertilization process takes place inside the female body. It is an internal fertilization. And in internal fertilization, less number of eggs are produced by such females as there are high chance of survival of the offspring. For example, cow, human beings, hens undergo internal fertilization. Whereas in external fertilization, the fertilization process takes place outside the body of the female. A large number of eggs are produced by such females as the chance of survival of the offspring are very low. For example, aquatic animals like fishes and amphibians like frogs undergo external fertilization.